Hello everyone, I am Vibhor Srivastava, an Oracle Apex developer and an Oracle as Apprentice. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a Region Display Selector in Oracle Apex. This feature allows you to organize multiple reports under one page and switch between them using tab, making your application cleaner and easier to navigate. Let's get started. Okay, I am creating an applications like region display selector. Now, first step is create a new blank page in Oracle Apex. Enter your name, region display selector. Because this is my separate video for region display selector, that's why I am using this title. So, second step is create a static content region. Name like employee leave management. Okay, type should be region display selector, right? And template is blank with attribute. And third is uh, step is create a 5 interactive reports. So I am creating a one reports like for a employee. So right clicks and create the sub region name like employee, right? So interactive report, and I have already created the table employee, right? And I have created another sub region for managers, right? And interactive report. So we employee manager, right? So I have need another sub region, create a sub region like for a leave type, interactive report, leave type. And you want to some add this form in a region display selector, so you can do it, okay, right? So So I am showing to your uh, example like a create a employee, a create employee, and type should be form like employee, and I have need a create a page item, sorry, a create button. So like a create, submit item, text with icon, hot, right? At this time when I test to this my application, so you are seeing that my selector is not working. Why? Because and every sub region, right? Every sub region display selector will be on. Okay. After that, I am checking, right? My all report is presenting here. So I have no need so for show all. So what to do? Go to region, go to attribute, and of this includes show all features. Okay. So now at this time I am managing this form page, right? This, this, and so that's how you can create a region display selector in Oracle Apex. It's a simple feature that helps you organize multiple reports or region on a single page, making your application cleaner and easier to navigate. If you have any question or suggest, feel free to leave them in the comment below. Thank you for the watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Oracle Apex tutorial. Thank you.